it's very, very important when you are filling in your registration, your test registration, to make sure you use the name that is on your identity card. And the identity card here is your passport. Hello, lovely viewers. This is Just Greatness. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, you experience the raw power of God through my music ministrations, gospel messages, and I also do lifestyle videos about my migration into the UK as a registered midwife. If today is your first time coming onto this channel, don't forget to subscribe. To my return subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I believe you are finding good things on this channel. That is why you always come back. Thank you so much. To continue with the step by step, when you get to the payments site, for me, I was able to pay with, I bought a voucher, sorry. You have options of paying for the test via or through a Visa or debit card or through a bank account or buying a voucher. Okay, I bought a voucher. But then buying a voucher, a CBT voucher, what you need to be careful with is that when you are choosing the voucher on the Pearson View site, make sure you are choosing for your home country. All right. A friend of mine made a mistake when she was buying her voucher. She, instead of choosing a voucher for Nigeria, she went to choose a voucher for the UK. And so after she keyed in or entered the voucher code, the center that was given to her was in the UK and she was still back home in Nigeria. And it was a whole, hectic and stressful moment for her trying to get a refund of the voucher she bought so that she can buy the appropriate voucher. So please, when you are on the site, read, and read. Money is hard to come by now, and you wouldn't want to, when you are examination pressure, trying to study to pass the exam, then you have to as well add on trying to get in touch with Pearson View, NMC UK for a refund and all that. It adds on to the stress. So please read and read and read. In as much as I've done this video, a screen recording video of the site, please, when you get on the site, sites or websites are always websites and companies are always updating their sites day in and day out. So as at the time that you are watching this video, it may happen that Pearson View site may have made some changes on their site. So kindly read and read till you are sure of what you are doing before you pay or before you complete your registration. All right. I wish you all the best. And if you also want to pay with your Visa card and not buy a voucher, you just go through the options. When you click on the Visa aspect, the Visa card or debit card aspect of on the site, it will just take you through the process and then you'll be able to pay. The fee is in pounds, that is 83 pounds as at the time I'm making this video. You may be wondering if you have to change your home country currency into pounds before you can make the payment. I mean, with your debit card or by buying the voucher. No, all you need to do is to make sure that the amount of money in your bank account is equivalent to the conversion. When you need to convert the 83 pounds into your home country currency and then get to know the amount that you are supposed to have. So you don't need to change your currency into pounds before you can pay from your bank or before you can buy your voucher with your Visa card. All you need to do is to convert the 83 pounds into your home country currency, know the amount, and make sure that you have enough money in your account. Pearson View will just deduct the equivalent pounds from your account, all right? And also know that with bank transfers, there are charges that will be incurred, all right? And this is the case where now in my home country, the taxes, are getting higher and higher and higher. I don't know if bank transfers will attract taxes. So make sure you have, after getting the 83 pounds equivalent, you should add on a little so that there'll be enough if you have to pay for charges and stuff. Otherwise, it will be like you don't have enough amount in your bank account and all that. It's not because you don't have the 83 pounds equivalent in your account. It is just the extra charges that needs to be deducted. That is why it is coming. You don't have enough. So just have enough money in the account and you are good to go.